Hello everyone, how to calculate home loan EMI in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see the loan amount 25 lakh, interest 8% and tenure 48 months. Okay, so first select the cell use is equal to and type here PMT. So here I select the PMT formula. The PMT means EMI amount. Okay, so first select the rate here indicate interest rate. So I select the interest rate cell B2, then divide it by 12. So here the y divided by 12. The interest rate is always given per year, but EMI is paid every month. So we divide the yearly interest by 12 to convert it into monthly interest. Okay, understood? Then use the comma, then NPER. NPER means number of periods, total months. Okay, so total months is 48. So I select the tenure cell C2, then again use the comma and PV. PV means present value loan amount. So loan amount here 25 lakh. So use here the minus sign and after that select the loan amount and bracket closed and enter to calculate the loan EMI. So that's it. Here the 61,000 your EMI is calculated. So after that, I remove this dollar sign, select the cell, right click on mouse and click on the format cell. And here in currency, you can see symbol is dollar. Click on this drop down arrow and select the none and click on OK and that's it. So this is a way you can calculate home loan EMI. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.